Morning, princess.
Good morning.
Thank you. See, I love you.
I love how he's climbing up my cooch.
Might see a kiwi. That's what that implies, that we might see a kiwi. That's. Don't look at my grease.
Alice, can you do it properly again, please?
Just don't zoom in on my cellulite.
You didn't do it again, and I asked.
Do it again?
Yeah. Not the foot.
Oh, this bit. Feeties.
What?
Sarah. Bella.
Perfect. Any other medical drag queen names? So this is how we vlog now, huh?
What, up my nose? Up our noses?
Yeah, up our noses, and we talk, and you know, we tell people what we're doing, like the normal. And we pick the best angles like that. We pick the best angle.
Baby, I think from now on we should be quiet so that we can see the kiwi. Okay?
I think the kiwis will be scared away by the hundreds of other people here and the fact that a building site next door.
It's not.
I'm not saying it again.
But it needs to be. Come on. It needs to be focused on you.
It can't because I'm so shiny. I'm reflecting it.
Okay, now.
Baby, I want us to keep very quiet so that we can see the kiwi, okay? Okay?
I think that what will scare the kiwis away is the hundreds of other people coming up here. The building site next door to the forest and your breath.
That was a kiwi.
That was not a kiwi.
And my breath. Is it time for some New Zealand tweets?
It is
Is
time
it-
for more tweets.
Is it time for more tweets?
It's time for us to tweet ourselves to
Some tweets.
tweets. Today we've got the unnervingly named Pinky.
That's my favorite so far, and I'm pretty sure it will be my favorite.
My favourite, just on what I think this might taste like, which just sounds so disgusting, Perky Nana.
That's you.
Because who in life doesn't want a Perky Nana?
Yeah, exactly.
I've got a Perky Nana.
Are you gonna try it already?
First I'm going to tell you what it's about.
Okay.
So this is described by Cadbury's. Interesting, you get so many Cadbury things abroad that you don't get in the UK, even though we invented Cadbury chocolate and the English language. So, marshmallow and caramel covered in milky chocolate. That, to me,
Sounds delicious.
sounds like
Sounds like I want to eat it.
Really? Mm-hmm. It sounds like a cross between a Mars bar and a Milky Way. But a Milky Way doesn't have... But then marshmallow, that's not right.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Ooh yeah.
Pinky's pink on the end.
Oh yeah. That's something that I'm gonna love.
So I'm
Look
getting...
at that. Oh, come on, focus. It's not gonna focus on it.
So I'm getting... I can't taste the caramel. I can taste sugar.
Okay, hold the camera.
Yeah.
Okay, let me try
I was
this.
going to give an opinion, but that's
Okay, let me try
I was
this.
going to give an opinion, but that's fine.
You can carry on explaining it whilst I taste test it.
See, it's chemicals, isn't it?
Yeah.
I taste the marshmallow to me tastes like something that you would use to clad a house.
And exactly, the sugar and even the chocolate just tastes like sugar.
Yeah, sugar and like
Nope.
oil-based lubricant.
Nope. This is petroleum.
Okay.
No.
Are you going to try my perky nana?
Let's see what this is. So this is also Cadbury.
Yeah.
And
Didn't focus it even for a second. You've got to put your hand behind it like a beauty Instagrammer. Yes, yes. And then you need to say, I'd like to thank Perky Nana for collaborating with me in this video.
Yeah, for sending all that money.
I've got an affiliate code down below.
Sweet money. So this is a flavored chew bar covered with delicious milk chocolate. I'm not going to read the ingredients because it basically covers the whole packaging, and we know how I feel about ingredients in chocolate bars.
Ooh.
Oh God, look at that.
Is
That
it mustard?
tells you-
Is it chew? Are you gonna eat it?
You know what that is? You know what that is?
Banana?
Nature. That's nature to you. I don't hate it though. I like it.
Don't talk with your mouth closed.
I like this one. This is good.
Am I allowed to try it? Or am I stuck with the pinky?
Very, very disappointed in the pinky, but this is not bad.
Well, wait,
It's just too sweet.
let me try.
It has this latent sweet kick. Don't stop.
Okay, I've not stopped it. There you go, take it back.
Okay. Now it's
Oh, it
your turn.
smells like if you were a child in the 90s and you were given penicillin, the banana flavoured penicillin. This is what it smells like. Oh, that is chew, isn't it?
Yeah, it has a good chew, and it has
They
like
didn't
this.
call it a chocolate bar, they called it a chew bar. Which sounds like something you'd give your dog.
Yeah, but it has that. Just taste it, and you'll taste that kick at the end, that sweet kick, because you chew it, and it's really good, and then at the end it hits you with the sweetness. Did you get it? Okay, it's getting too long.
No, wow, yeah.
Did you get the sweetness
Yeah,
at the end?
secondary sweet kick, like a
Yeah.
brick in the face.
Yeah, yeah.
No. But I like the banana bit.
Yeah. I like it.
Morning with a balanced breakfast.